What about your issue?
Actually, the sciatic nerves on my leg just crunched, and I feel like super tension. I don't know.
And when you have a contact on the floor, you feel more pain?
It's not that painful, but when I'm like having like straight, I feel that.
You feel more when you are sitting, for example, on a chair?
Exactly.
Okay. What about when you are getting up on the morning?
It's like I'm not feeling it straight. I'm feeling it like slowly after.
So, do you feel starting from here, from the hip, and then along
going down?
Okay, going down on the leg.
Yes.
Okay. Towards the ankle. Okay, bend in front of you. Can go down like this. Okay, perfect. Even more. Okay, even more. Stop. Okay, you can come back. Now, lay on your back, please. Face up. Okay. Do you feel pain here?
No.
Okay. Do you feel pain here?
It's
a little?
A little bit.
A little bit. Okay. Don't help me. Relax and no worries, okay? More relaxed. Okay. Good. Please down.
Yes.
Now, hold the edge here, please, strongly. Okay. Yes, both hands. Okay, good. This one was good.
Yes.
Take a moment to rest. We are doing well. First part is done. Okay, turn again on this side, please. Stretch your legs. Good. More relaxed. Okay. Drop your legs. Okay, good. Okay. Take a breath. Okay. Exhale. Good.
Ah.
Wonderful.
Oh. Good.
Okay. Does it bother?
It's just.
Okay, just a stretch, okay?
Yes.
You will feel a little pain, okay? Yes, good.
Oh, yes.
Relax, don't help me. Good, one more. Relax.
Oh, yes.
Perfect.
I love this one.
Good. Don't be afraid, okay?
I'll try.
Put your hand behind. Hold the neck. Okay, now relax. Yes, good. Perfect. Okay, more relaxing. Good. Perfect. One more.
Wow. Okay.
Second one. Don't help me. Okay, more relaxing. Good. Perfect. Hold your neck again. Yes. Relax. Good. Perfect. More relaxed, okay. Breathe. Okay, good. Yes. One more. Again. Good. Last one. More relaxing. Good. Okay?
Yes.
Now, turn this side, please. Good. One more.
It was nice.
Relax. You will feel more now. Okay. Drop your legs. Breathe. Okay. Relax. Okay, more relaxing. Okay, release your muscles. Okay, good. Perfect. Now, turn again on this side. Okay. Drop your head. Relax your head. Okay. Okay, don't help me. Good. More relaxing. Okay, no worries. You know it's scared, but no worries. Okay? Trust me. She's begging me in Italian. It doesn't help you.
No, it's not working.
Trust me. Okay, relax. Perfect. Good, good. Good. Okay, easy. Now, once again, face up, please. Don't help me. Okay, drop your legs. Good. Take a breath. Okay, exhale. Good. Perfect. Face up. Now.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Face down, please.
Okay.
Now, stay on your elbows. Like this. Okay. Stretch your legs. Good. Okay. Now.
Oh.
Relax
I
your.
remember.
Yes, it's not your first time, so you remember something. Okay. Stay on your elbows. Stop your shoulders and drop your head. Okay, good. Relax and just it. Don't help me. Okay. Good. One more. Other side. Drop your head. Yes. Don't help me. Good. More relaxing.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. You okay?
Yes.
Sure. A little. No, we're gonna... Now, stretch your hands, please. Okay. Yes. Release your shoulders. Don't cut me. Other side, please. Good. Don't help me. Relax. Good. Last one. Relax. Good.
You're gonna jump on me?
Okay. One more. One more. Relax. Good. You okay?
Uh-huh.
Really good. Strong. Okay. Yes. We're ready now. The head technique. Yes, hold the head, please. Yes. Once again, relax, relax, relax. Yes. Okay. You feel the pain toward the ankle or
A
just
little bit. He's going down.
Uh-huh. Okay. And on the upper side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 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 Face up, please. Now. Relax your ankle. Okay. Don't help me.
Oh,
Don't worry.
see.
It's not broken, okay?
No, it seems like I felt it.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, good.
Good.
Yeah.
Great job. You're doing very well.
Are they along the same right now?
If not,
There is a problem.
we
Issue.
can do it. Relax. Okay, last one. Okay. Don't touch me. It's okay. One more. Relax, relax. Okay, release your knee. Good. Release your knee. Okay. It's okay. You feel some vertigo? Nothing?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, don't help me. Just relax. Good. Perfect. One more. More relaxing. Don't help me. Yes. Release your shoulder. No worries. Release. Good. Perfect. You're going well. How do you feel? Try to work a little. Do you feel more?
Yes. I feel like the same like stability on 4 sets.
Okay. And what about you?
It's okay.
When you came here, with 1 and 10 was
Like 7.5.
okay. How?
Now I feel like she can fly by
A
herself.
butterfly. Okay. Try to sit here just to check also the sitting position. Okay. Stay here about 2 seconds. Okay. Yes, if you stretch your legs, okay.
Yeah.
Doesn't bother you? No? Okay. So try to stand up again.
So good job.
Yeah, good job.
You did a good job.
Okay. We will check the condition in 7 days. One week.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.